Hello everybody and welcome back. In this video we're looking at question 2 on our 2017-2018 Alberta math contest. Question 2, a math teacher is given a big bag of 300 candies by a grateful parent. Isn't that always nice? The teacher distributes as many of the candies as possible to her students, so each student has the same number of candies. There are 14 candies left over. How many students are there in the class if each class in the school has at most 30 students? Okay, so there might be more than one answer if we just answer this part from the given information, but they're also telling us our answer should be less than 30. Okay, so we're given options 20, 22, 24, 26, or you can't find it out. Maybe there's more than one answer that is also less than 30. Okay, so 300 candies, there's 14 left over. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take those 300 candies and we're going to set them aside. All right, so we'll have 286 candies to split to the students. All right. And so, okay, 286 candies. We got 14 candies left over. Now we want to figure out the number of students in the class. So, well, if we had 4 students in the class and each student got C candies, we'd know that 286 is 4 times C, 4 times the number of candies. But we don't know if they've got 4. But we do know that 286 must be the number of students times the number of candies that they all got. So the number of students is a factor of 286. So let's list the possible factors of 286. I know 1 and 286. 2 is definitely a factor. 143, and that's going to be 11 times 13. So those are possibilities. We'll also have 22 is a factor and 26 is a factor. And that should be it, because 286 is 2 times 11 times 13. So we should get 8 possible factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. How do I know I'm going to have 8 factors? Imagine a factor of 286. It might have a 2 in it, or it might not. It might have an 11 in it, or it might not. It might have a 13 in it, or it might not. So there's 2 choices, is the 2 in or not, times another 2 choices, is the 11 in or not, times another 2 choices, 13. And 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So that's how I know how many factors to get. Now, they tell me 14 candies were left over. We used that at the start. We're going to use it again to eliminate some of these possibilities. Now, the class sizes are less than 30, so those are not possible, 143 and 286. But if there were only 13 students in the class, with these 14 candies, we could have given them each one and had 1 left over. Or if there were 11 students in the class, we could have given them each 1 and there would have been 3 left over. Okay? So if our remainder is 14, the number of students we have must be more than 14, and that eliminates these 4 at the end. But the answer could still be 22 or 26, and there really isn't a way around it. Okay? These numbers are bigger than 14. If you divide 300 by 22, you'll get a remainder of 14. If you divide 300 by 26, you'll get a remainder of 14. So I can't tell. We'll just do a quick double check. Most 30 students distributes as many candies as possible. No, there's no way to tell. It could be B or it could be D. And since I can't get a unique answer, we actually just go with E. There isn't a specific answer. It could be one of these 2. Okay? So there we go. Cannot be uniquely determined. And we're ready for question number 3, which we will take a look at in the following video.